Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Volkswagen Passat key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot on the side of the key casing. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate, revealing the internal components. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm it is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your Volkswagen Passat key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.